Alrighty, here we are, room 2405. This is a Beau Rivage golf view room. So we actually got a view of the golf. Maybe we'll show that when we get a little bit of light tomorrow, but we're gonna do a room tour here. So as you walk in the room, our style is gonna have our main bathroom on the right-hand side. So as you walk in, gonna be a big, beautiful vanity mirror. Actually a really nice sink. Look at that beautiful sink. Look kind of like a shell. You got your hand wash, body lotion. You got one of those mirrors that you can see all your pimples on if you wanted to. Plug right here. Tissue paper, towels, toilet. And then this one has got a full walk-in shower. Got your body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. And then on the other side here, this one actually gives you a full bath, which is kind of nice. I bet Sammy will probably use this before we leave. Or shampoo, conditioner, body wash. So it's kind of nice. You got a dual. You got the shower and bath. That is nice. You got some artwork on the walls. A little bit of cool artwork. Lights. No cabinets or anything in here, so you just got basically counter space to put all of your essentials on. I'm not sure if I like that. Wish they give you maybe some drawers. Spot to hang your towel back there. And that is the bathroom. As we walk out here to the right, this is going to be your closet. Another full-size mirror. And this has got our safe in it. I hate these safes. This is a wall safe. I find there is absolutely no room in these safes at all. Very, very little room. Although if you did have a laptop, you could maybe lean it up and fit a full-size laptop in there. Some safes are so narrow you can't even get a laptop in there. So you got your safe, although it's pretty thick. Not much room really once you close it, honestly. At your safe, you got a mini fridge. It is empty, so that is just for yourself. You can put drinks or food in there, which is nice. No microwave in the room, so you wouldn't be able to reheat your food. Needless to say, there is a fridge. You got an ironing board. They will do your laundry if you'd like. You've got what would be a blow dryer and an iron. So they'll give you an iron, which is kind of cool. You got hangers for clothes to hang, and that is your closet. Again, with the full-size mirror. And then as we enter, you're gonna have your coffee maker here on the left-hand side. Got some complimentary coffees. I do like it that they give you complimentary water. That's really nice. On this side too, complimentary water. So that's 4 complimentary waters, which is really nice. You got your ice bucket. These are all your drawers. Nice drawers. They got a soft close, which is cool. Soft close. Oh, that one didn't soft close. There we go. So soft close on all the drawers, which is nice. Empty drawers. They left us empty drawers. I'll be honest, right now I'm seeing the room is pretty clean. Pretty clean room. So as we keep going here, you're gonna have your sitting area. This is nice. 2 beautiful seats with a table between you. You got a lamp right there, more lighting, plugs, thermostat, nightstand with drawers. And let's see here. So my side over here has got your alarm clock with 2 plugs, 2 USBs. So that is nice. You got your, that's on off right there. And then on here you got a USB and a plug as well on that side, which tells me on this side there's probably also a USB and a plug. So this side has your phone, and then you got your also plug and USB, which is nice as well. Pen, paper, look at the artwork. Place to put your luggage. And then here is your king size bed. Looks pretty nice, baby. Go test out the bed. Bed test. That is a nice bed.
Pretty comfortable.
Is it?
Yeah, it's nice. It's not like the nicest bed I've ever been in, but you're never going to complain about it.
There you go. Bed test. Look at the cool overhead like sconce they put up there, which is kind of nice. Little decor back here, like this 2D thing here. I mean, I'll be honest with you, the room is, in my opinion, really nice. I don't know. Do you see any like really dirt or clutter?
No, it's definitely newly renovated. Yeah. I think they came maybe a year or 2 ago. That's on our channel. I would say it's about the same. It does not show that it's been in use for a year, and this is a very busy hotel.
Yeah.
Last time we did have just the standard city view, so I will put in right here what the actual golf view looks like. So if you want to pay for that upgrade, you're gonna know if it's worth it in your opinion or not, because it is an upgrade. But really nice room. I'll be honest, compared to Borgata, this thing is spotless.
It is.
I mean, I can't find one stain.
I agree. I think it looks really nice.
Like, not one. I think I could.
Maybe there's one stain right there where people put their luggage.
Did you show the waters and stuff?
I did show the complimentary waters, which is nice. 10 out of 10. Very impressed.
So that is our Beau Rivage room tour here in Biloxi, Mississippi. Again, I'm going to insert that view that we have. Super excited for that. Hopefully the weather clears up for us. It is our first day here, so check that out on our channel. We're going to do everything we can. And like, subscribe, and we'll see you in all the Beau Rivage and Biloxi fun we're going to have this trip.